Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about how to write cursive letters, uppercase letters J, K, L and M in 4-line book. Let's start. The second sleeping line is start from here. A small curve touch to this upper sleeping line and again slanting. Again here is a small curve. Okay, this is J. 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 J for jug. J for jar. J for juice. Okay, next K. So start from here, small slanting, then standing line. This is also somewhat slanting. So then again one more slanting line touch to this second line, again slanting line, then small curve. Okay, K. K for kite. K for kite. K for king. Yes, K for king. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. So like this. Okay. Next L. So start from here, somewhat curve, again slanting lines, small circle like this. Okay, L. L for, yes, lion. L for lion. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lily. L for lily. L for ladybird. L for ladybird. Okay, next M. So start from this third sleeping line. So small slanting line, again touch to this sleeping line and come down again like this, and then again somewhat slanting line like this. M. So M. M for, yes, mango. M for mango. M for milk. M for milk. Okay, M for money. Yes, M for money. M for monkey. M for monkey. Okay, so J K L M. J for jug, J for jar, K for kite, K for king, K for kangaroo, L for lion, L for lemon, L for ladybird, M for monkey, M for money, M for mango. Okay, so like this we have to practice cursive letters J, K, L and M. Thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.